What's up, bonsai people? Quick video. Um, I believe it rained a lot and a bird may have set on this. Now, my Portulacaria, I usually do not wire them in, but this was such a small pot, that might have been a mistake. The good thing about it is if a Portulacaria falls on the ground, you can repot it and it'll be fine. On this one, I had zip tied that limb down, but it was more like this. So I was trying to get a more of a canopy with the first limb weighted down. And as you can see, all these roots here are going that way. Well, how do I re-angle this, or how do I get it to grow roots the other way? I mean, I could pull it out and spread the roots out, but I think what I'm going to do is just plant the whole pot at an angle. I've got some soil here, put a little in the bottom. That's already meshed. Wow, it's windy. Sorry. Okay, if I want it this angle, let's set it in there. I'm going to plant the whole entire pot because I know there's roots growing that way in the pot. I want some other roots to go this way. And here's a tip for you. A&W root beer bottle. Make your own scooper. Free. Okay. And I did add a little fertilizer because I was fertilizing everything today, so I already had it out. I may not have mixed enough up. I'm gonna add a little on top later. Get in there. Okay, and I'll water that. And problem solved for now without spending a long time. This would work really well with something that wasn't a succulent that you needed to get in soil right then. I mean, you could basically plant the whole entire pot below soil level if you was like, oh no, there's roots everywhere. I mean, do what you want to do, but all right, like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. I'll do an update video on some of my other stuff soon. Thanks a lot.